Write header to a Python log file, but only if a record gets written. Since delay is true, the file will never be written unless something is logged. At that point, the first line in the file is the first record, and it will contain the ist time, level name, etc. elements. Using Python the 2nd of July 2010, is there a sane way to add a line, or two, the first time a record is written that don't include those elements? I can just write to the file before using it for logging, but if I do that, I end up with logs empty but for the header. The desired output might look like thanks.
I had a simpler idea. The following just uses a custom formatter. The first message formatted spits out a header record, then after that just does normal formatting.
Subclass the file handler to create your own custom file handle with header as shown below. This script should run as is in Python 2.7. If the example.log file already exists, it will not recreate the header. This solution required knowledge of the logging source code found here and general use of the Python logging package found here.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.